Hey everyone, this is Alpaco and I wanted to talk about the RAVPower Pioneer Power Bank model RP-PB201. I purchased this power bank because it was the only one at the time that fits my power bank adapter for my rig. It's also cheaper than buying another Olympus battery. The main thing to look for when looking for an external battery source is meeting the requirements which is posted on the website. 9V 3A, 5V 2A, or 15V 3A output is required. This power bank comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable that is used to charge the power bank as well as output power. When you're using the camera battery, it shows the percentage of the battery on the left-hand corner. When you connect the power bank, it immediately goes to the USB options, and you choose USB PD. For a split second, it shows the notification of the volts and amps being supplied. Now you can tell the camera is using battery bank because the battery icon is gone. When the camera is turned off, the charging light turns on, indicating that the battery is being charged by the power bank, which is another very useful feature. You cannot use the external power bank without a battery inside. Just to note, you will have to use USB-C to USB-C power delivery because a USB-A to USB-C will not work, even if the power delivery output is within that 9V and 12V range. The camera will just stay on in this 1 moment screen until the power bank turns off. Then the camera will repower itself using the internal battery. The biggest advantage of having a power bank is being able to record for hours, so this can be very useful for the Olympus shooters that need to film uninterrupted. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.